Power meets portability in today's smallest desktops, delivering fast performance, silent operation, and sleek design for work, gaming, and creativity without taking over your space. Best Compact PC delivers efficiency, solid cooling, and upgradable performance in a tiny footprint today. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. HP Pro G9 Compact PC. The HP Pro G9 Compact PC stands out as a highly efficient solution for users who need reliable computing power in a minimal footprint. Weighing under 3 pounds and featuring a sleek, space-saving chassis, it fits easily into tight workspaces while maintaining HP's well-known durability standards. Powered by the Intel Celeron G6900T processor, this mini PC handles everyday computing tasks such as web browsing, document editing, and light multitasking without noticeable lag. The inclusion of Intel UHD graphics ensures clear visuals, making it suitable for office work and casual media consumption. One of its strongest advantages is scalability, supporting up to 32GB DDR5 RAM and up to 4TB PCIe SSD storage, giving users flexibility to upgrade as their needs grow. Connectivity is also a major highlight, offering a wide selection of modern ports including
Number 2. ROG ARL-HX Compact PC. The ROG ARL-HX Compact PC is designed for users who demand high-end performance in a compact form, particularly gamers and creative professionals. Equipped with an Intel Core Ultra processor and enhanced by AI-driven capabilities, it delivers impressive processing power with improved efficiency over previous generations. The inclusion of an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 50 series mobile GPU elevates this compact system into serious gaming territory, enabling smooth gameplay, ray tracing, and DLSS-powered graphics enhancement for realistic visual development. Despite its powerful hardware, the system maintains thermal stability through its advanced quiet flow cooling solution, which combines triple fans with a dual vapor chamber to ensure consistent performance while keeping noise levels low. The compact 3-liter design is not only space-saving, but also
Number 3. KAMRUI Pinova P2 Compact PC. The KAMRUI Pinova P2 Compact PC offers an impressive balance of performance and affordability, making it an excellent choice for productivity-focused users and home entertainment setups. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 4300U processor, this mini PC features true quad-core performance built on a 7nm architecture, delivering consistent speed and efficiency even under sustained workloads. Compared to entry-level Intel alternatives, it provides noticeably stronger multitasking capabilities, making it suitable for handling multiple browser tabs, office applications, and even light virtual machine usage. The integrated Radeon Vega 5 graphics significantly enhance visual performance, supporting triple 4K displays at 60Hz, which is ideal for multitasking environments or immersive media experiences. With 16GB LPDDR4 RAM and a 512GB M.2 SSD, users benefit from fast boot times and smooth application switching, while dual storage slots allow expansion up to 4TB for growing storage needs. Its compact design makes it perfect for both workspace efficiency and home setups without sacrificing power.
Number 4. HP Prodesk Compact PC. The HP Prodesk Compact PC is built for users who require dependable, business-grade performance in a compact yet powerful system. Driven by the Intel Core i5-10400F processor with 6 cores and 12 threads, it delivers strong multitasking capabilities, making it ideal for office tasks, data management, and productivity workflows. Whether handling spreadsheets, running accounting software, or managing multiple applications simultaneously, this system performs consistently without slowdowns. The inclusion of 32GB DDR4 RAM and a 1TB NVMe SSD further enhances its responsiveness, ensuring fast load times and efficient data processing.
A key feature is its triple display support through HDMI, VGA, and DVI outputs, allowing users to expand their workspace for improved productivity, particularly beneficial for professionals in finance, coding, or monitoring tasks. Connectivity options are comprehensive, including USB-C, multiple USB-A ports, and LAN support for stable networking.
The compact micro-tower design fits easily into office environments while still providing upgrade potential. With a bundled keyboard and mouse, it's ready to be used right out of the box, making the HP Prodesk Compact PC a reliable and practical choice for both business and home office setups.
Number 5. Dell DDR5 Compact PC. The Dell DDR5 Compact PC is a modern solution tailored for users who need efficient performance in a sleek, space-saving design. Powered by the Intel i3-12100 processor and paired with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, it delivers smooth multitasking for everyday tasks, such as video conferencing, document work, and web browsing. The DDR5 memory ensures faster data processing and improved efficiency compared to older memory standards, making it a future-ready choice. Its 256GB PCIe SSD provides quick boot times and responsive file access, significantly reducing wait times and enhancing productivity. One of its standout features is its support for triple 4K display output, allowing users to create a highly productive multi-screen setup without requiring a bulky system. Connectivity is equally strong, with built-in Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth for seamless wireless integration with modern devices and networks. The compact form factor allows it to fit easily in tight spaces, whether under a monitor or on a small desk.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.